With Daktela for iPECS, you can add CX to the iPECS interface your users already know and trust. Before we dive into the integration, let's talk about Daktela itself. Daktela is an AI-powered customer experience platform bringing omnichannel engagement, advanced call features, AI automation, and analytics all together in one unified workspace. And the best part? All this functionality can be layered seamlessly onto iPECS, so it keeps the familiar telephony environment you use every day. All while upgrading to a unified workspace which includes omnichannel support, voice, chat, email, SMS, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, all connected with complete communication history. Smart routing, connecting your customers to the right teams and people. Presence and team collaboration, allowing you to work together and collaborate across different departments. And real-time and historical analytics. So behind the scenes you can track performance, optimize workflows, and see trends across your entire business. This isn't just integration, it's all your customer and employee communications aligned in one place. Let's see how this works in practice. Here on the left, we have the iPECS system logged in and ready. To get started with Daktela, we simply use the single sign-on options, available via Google or Microsoft Entra ID, to keep your credentials in sync. Once logged in, we select our device. This is the crucial link that allows Daktela to use iPECS 1 for the audio. When I hit Go Ready, the system fully activates. Notice that iPECS maintains all its core features. Your keypad, contacts, and internal chat remain fully accessible. With Daktela now active, we have access to a full range of channels. Here in this example, we have voice, email SMS, and Facebook Messenger. When an inbound call hits the system, both platforms ring simultaneously. Daktela immediately identifies the contact, pulling up the relevant CRM card and communication history so the user has full context before answering. Once the call is live, iPECS manages the audio while Daktela handles the data. In this example, the customer is chasing a license order. Right here in the ticket, I can link their previous emails and the current call into one record. I can even send a confirmation SMS while the voice line is still open. No switching systems, and providing a great experience for both your customers and users. While in the call activity, you have full professional call controls. So you can put a customer on hold, bring up their CRM details, invite a team member to the live call, transfer to a different person or department, and consult a supervisor. But we are just going to end the call. And here you can see the call activity within iPECS and also within Daktela under listings. So here you can see this call, the transcription, listen to and download the recording, and see the ticket it is linked to. And this feeds into the reporting. So if I go to reporting, then statistics, you can quickly see details of the activities to date. We'll dive a bit deeper on this later. This integration also bridges the gap between your front and back office. If I swap to a Daktela-only user, I can still reach colleagues in other departments by simply dialing their iPECS extension. And the presence syncs too. If a colleague is on a call or set to Do Not Disturb in iPECS, Daktela reflects that status instantly to prevent any interruptions. And finally, as promised, here's more on the reporting within Daktela. Behind the scenes, managers and supervisors can monitor live performance and user activity. This data is accessible via the real-time section in the application or through customizable wallboards. This is all logged, giving you extensive historical reporting across your communications. Are you ready to transform the way your team communicates? Visit www.daktela.com today to book your full personalized demo. Daktela and iPECS. Better collaboration, smarter results. Let's get started.